Chapter 3, pair of linear equations in two variables, part 3. Okay. So in part 3, we are going to see some verbal problems, statement problems. Okay. You see, third problem, exercise 3.3, third problem. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems. Find their solution by substitution method. So here you have to read the statement properly. Clear? You have to read the statement. Then according to the statement, you have to frame the equations. Clear? You have to convert this statement, verbal form given, you have to convert into mathematical statement. Clear? In lower class also you have studied. You see, read the statement, you see. The difference between two numbers is 26. Difference means what? Highest number minus lowest number. That is the difference. Okay. Difference between two numbers is 26. Then, and one more condition also given. One number is 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other. Find them. So how to find out? How first what you have to frame the mathematical statement. Clear? This verbal form you have to convert into mathematical form. Okay. For that, you see, we have to find out the two numbers. Clear? You have to find out two numbers. Okay. Let one number be x, another number be y. Because you don't know the actual numbers. With condition you have to find out. Okay. So that what you have to do is you have to assume one number be x and another number be y. Clear? Right. Solution. Let one number be x and other number be y. Okay. So here I am taking a condition. Okay. Here where x greater than y you have to take. Okay. This condition you have to assume. You have to assume this condition. Okay. Where x is greater than y. Then only you can take what? X is big, y is what small. Then you can by the data or according to the problem you can write the statement. You see, by data the difference between two numbers is 26. Difference means what you have to do? Subtract big minus small. So x minus y is equal to 26. You will get one equation. According to this statement, you will get one equation. Difference between two numbers is 26. Okay? Understand? This is equation number 1 you take it. Equation number 1. Clear? And one more condition also given. You see, and one number is 3 times the other. One number is 3 times the other. Okay, one number that is x. X is equal to 3 times means 3 into the other number that is y. Clear? That is y. One number is 3 times the other. Clear? You have to understand the statement. Then only you can convert into mathematical form. If you not understand, then it is difficult. Clear? One number is 3 times the meaning. Clear? 3 times you have to write. 3 times means 3 multiplied by other number, that is y. One number we have taken x, other number y. So the one number is 3 times the other number. So this is equation number 2. Okay. So already you have x, you see. In the equation number 2 already you have x. So that x you put in the equation number 1. Because you have to substitute and find out the solution. Clear? That's why what you have to do is you put this x in 1. So put x in 1. Clear? X in 1. Now what you will get? 3y minus y is equal to 26. Okay, 3y minus y equal to 26. Just to replace, in place of x you put 3y, that's all. So 3y minus y is what? 3y minus 1y. Simply y means that is 1y. 3y minus 1y is 2y is equal to 26. Therefore y is equal to 26 by 2. So y is equal to 13. Here what you have to do, into there means you should divide. Into there means you should divide. So divide means 13 you will get. Now put this y in 2. Straight away you can put in 1 also, no problem. But if you put 2 means straight away you will get. Okay, that's why put x in, y in, put y in 2. So what you will get, x is equal to 3 into 13. Therefore x is equal to 39. X is equal to 39. Therefore the required two numbers are clear. Two numbers are, one is 13, another one is 39. Okay, therefore required numbers are second one. You see, statement is given, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees, find them. Clear? So here you should know the mathematical term, that is supplementary angles. Okay, what is supplementary angles? The sum of the two angle is 180 degree. If sum of the two angles is 180 degree means then the two angles are called supplementary angles. What is complementary angles? The sum of the two angle is 90 degree, then the two angles are called complementary angles. So always you remember the concept, then only you can write a statement. Okay, you can form the mathematical statement. Then one more term is that is exceeds. What is exceeds? Exceeds means what? More. Clear? Exceeds means more. Exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Clear? The big one is exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Then using this condition, clear? You have to find out the angles, two angles. Find them means the two angles. One is larger angle, another one is smaller angle. That you have to find out. So the unknown you have to assume it, clear, as x and y. Clear? You don't know actually what is the angles. The condition, the using condition you have to find out. Clear? For that what you have to do is you have to assume that let the larger angle be x and the smaller one be y. Clear? For our convenience. Okay, I am taking larger angle is x, smaller angle is y. Clear? Anyway you can take. Understand? Solution. Let the larger angle be x. Let the larger angle be x and the smaller angle be y. Okay. Now by data, you come to the data. By data you can write, or according to the question you can write. By data means what is given in the statement. Clear? You have to convert it into mathematical form. You see, first supplementary angle, the concept you apply, because when the two angles, if you add means you will get supplementary angles. So here sum of the two angle means these two angles, we have two angles, these two angle add. These two angle add means x plus y is equal to 180. Okay, so you will get one equation. Okay, easily will get one equation. You see, that concept applies. Supplementary angles concept. If you know only you can write, otherwise you cannot do. Clear? Next, the larger one, larger of two supplementary angles, the larger one exceeds the larger one. What is larger one? X. And x is equal to, exceeds means what? More than of or smaller one by 18 degree. That means y plus 18. Smaller one is 8, then 18 more. 18 more. Clear? So this is 2. This is 2. So in the equation number 2, you see x is already there. X is already there. Okay. That x you take. That put this x in 1. Put this x in equation number 1. Okay. What you will get? Just replace y plus 18 plus again y is equal to 180. So y plus y, 2y. 2y equal to 180 minus 18. So 2y equal to minus 18 subtract. 10 subtract means 170. Again 8 subtract means 62. Here 162. Y equal to 162 by 2. How much? Divide 81. 81. So you got y now. Clear? Therefore x easily you can find out. Put this y in equation number 2 you put. Clear? Already you have x. Equation number 2. You put x is equal to, what you will get? That y is 81. 81 plus 18. How much? 99. Okay. Therefore required two angles are, one is 99, another one is 81. Both add means you will get 180. Clear? You will get 180. You can verify also. Clear? Therefore required angles are, required two angles are 99 angle 81. That's all. Okay, so this way easily you can find out the angles. Only thing is you have to understand the concept. Accordingly you have to frame the equation. Then apply substitution method. Here we applied what? Substitution method and we have done. Clear? So very simple. Okay. See, next we will see this fourth problem. This is fully application problems. Clear? You see, the taxi charges in a city consists of a fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. See, whenever you hire one taxi, clear, they will put first what? Fixed charge. Then how much distance you covered, accordingly they will collect the charge. Clear? Here you see the condition given. For a distance of 10 kilometer, you are traveling 10 kilometer, then the charge paid is rupees 105. Charge paid is rupees 105. And for a journey of 15 kilometer you are traveling, then the charge paid is rupees 155. Clear? Then what are the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer? Okay, first you have to find out. Fixed charge and charge per kilometer. Clear? For that you have to assume the unknown, because you don't know how much the fixed charge and how much charge per kilometer. Clear? You don't know. So first you assume that let the fixed charge for the taxi be rupees X. Clear? Let the fixed charge for taxi be rupees X. You take. Clear? Then charge per kilometer. Okay. And charge for taxi per kilometer. Per kilometer be rupees Y. Be rupees Y. Okay. Clear? So you have to assume like this: charge for taxi per kilometer. Understand? Next, what you have to do? according to the problem condition, that is by data. By data. See, first case you see, for a distance of 10 kilometer, total distance covered 10 kilometer, the charge is paid rupees 105. So 10 kilometer traveled, clear? 10 kilometer traveled. But anyhow, what they will put first what fixed charge, that is x plus fixed charge plus x plus then distance traveled per kilometer is y. So 10 kilometer means 10 into y. 10 kilometer means 10 into y is equal to total amount. How much given? 105. So you will get a first equation. You will get first equation. Okay, so everything is there in the problem itself. Clear? Just you are convert into mathematical statement. That's all. For that you try to understand the problems. Clear? Then next, and one more condition given for traveling 15 kilometer. Traveling 15 kilometer, then the charge paid is rupees 155. Therefore, and fixed charge, first you write fixed charge, then 15 kilometer travel means 15y is equal to 155. This is equation number 2. This is equation number 2. Now you have to solve by using a substitution method. Very simple. Equation number 1 you take. Equation number 1 gives, okay, x you find out better. X is equal to that, with plus 10y bring that side means 105 minus 10y. You take it, this is as what? Equation number 3. Clear? Equation number 3. For our convenience, you take it equation number 3. Now put this x in 2. Put x in 2. Equation number 2. What you will get? Just to replace x. So 105 minus 10y plus 15y is equal to 155. Now this 105 bring that side. That means change the sign. Here you subtract the y. These two like terms subtract. Minus 10y plus 15y is 5y is equal to 155 minus 105. So 5y equal to how much? 50. Okay, 50. Therefore y equal to 10 divided by 5. Divided by 5 means y equal to 10. Okay. Now put this y in straight away equation number 3. Put y in 3. What you will get? X you will get, right? So x is equal to 105 minus 10 into 10. How much? 100, that is. So 105 minus 100, how much? 5. X is equal to 5. We got it. So easily we will get x and y now. Clear? Now what you have to do is, you have to see according to the question, you have to find out what they ask you. What are the fixed charge? Therefore the fixed charge is rupees 5. Clear? And charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Okay? You write the final answer. Therefore fixed charge equal to rupees 5 and charge per kilometer equal to rupees 10 y value. Okay, so fixed charge is rupees 5 and charge per kilometer is rupees 10. Okay, so next they ask how much does a person have to pay for traveling 25 kilometer? So 25 kilometer means how much cost? Clear? Therefore charge for 25 kilometer equal to first fixed charge you have to write plus rupees 5 rupees fixed charge plus 25 into this per kilometer charge 25 into 10, right? So how much? 5 plus 250, that is equal to 255 rupees. Rupees 255. Okay, so like this easily you can find out. Okay. Next problem you see, fifth problem you will see. Okay, read the problem. A fraction becomes 9 by 11. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added both the numerator and the denominator. Here, first condition given, if 2 is added both the numerator and the denominator. Here, if 3 is added both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. It becomes 5 by 6. You see, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 when 2 is added both the numerator and the denominator. Clear? If 3 is added both the numerator and denominator, then the fraction becomes 5 by 6. So, two conditions given. Clear? But here actually you don't know the fraction. That means what is the numerator, what is the denominator. So, what I am going to do is you assume numerator be x and the denominator be y. Clear? For the required fraction, you have to assume numerator as x and the denominator as y. You see, let the numerator be x. Numerator, short form also you can write n naught means numerator. Let the numerator be x and the denominator be or denominator be y. Okay? Therefore by data, you see the first statement, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 when 2 is added both numerator and denominator. That means you know numerator, with this you add 2 divided by denominator, you know, add 2. That time fraction becomes how much? 9 by 11. 9 by 11. But this is not the standard form of linear equation. So you have to make a standard form of linear equation. Further what you have to do is cross multiply. Cross multiply. First one, x always keep left side. Here. That is more convenient. That's why first you multiply this. So 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. Okay. Now ordinary multiplication. 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18. So 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22. Okay. Therefore 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. 18 minus 22 minus 4. This is equation number 1. Equation number 1. Okay. And same way, another condition given. And when 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, that means numerator is x. 3 add x plus 3 by denominator is y. Again 3 add y plus 3. That time you are getting the fraction 5 by 6. 5 by 6. Again cross multiply. Cross multiply means 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 5 into y plus 3. Now just to multiply 6x plus 18, 5y plus 15. Okay. Now from this what I am going to do is you find out the x. Clear? Because substitution method you are going to apply. So that you keep x. Here, as it is, bring this plus 18 along that side. That means what? 6x is equal to 5y plus 15 minus 18. Minus 18. So 6x is equal to 5y minus 3. 5y minus 3. Therefore, x you find out. X is equal to 5y minus 3 by 6. This 6 you divide this side means you will get x. This is you take equation number. So straight away, clear? From this equation I found x. Clear? Next what you have to do is put this x in 1, equation number 1. Put or substitute x in 1. Anyway, you can put x is in 1. Clear? Now just to replace it, what is happening, you see, 11 into this x fully replace, 5y minus 3 by x, 6 minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Okay, minus 4. Minus 4. Now you have to remove this bracket. So multiply this, okay, this side. So multiply 55y minus 33. Only what 11 you have to multiply with numerator only. Okay, how to multiply with the numerator. Then denominator you write as is it, because here 11 is there, means 11 by 1. So numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Okay. Many students what they will do, both they will multiply. Numerator they will multiply 11, again denominator also multiply. That is wrong. Clear? 11 can be written as 11 by 1. So always the rule is numerator into numerator, then denominator into denominator. Clear? So here 1 into 6, 6 you will get. Okay, minus 9y is equal to minus 4. Minus 4. Now 6 you take LCM. That is very important. LCM you have to take. Okay, 6 you take LCM is what happening, you see. 55y minus 33 minus 9 into 6. 54, because the denominator nothing. Clear? By 1, that means multiply 6 means 54y. Understand? Equal to minus 4. Now you can easily multiply that 6 that side, cross multiply you do. Okay. So 55y minus 54y, y minus 33. Understand, here like term you see, 55y minus 54y, both are like term. So you subtract. Subtract means 1y, that is y. Clear? Minus 33 is equal to this, you multiply means minus 24. Minus 4 into 6, minus 24. So y is equal to minus 24 plus 33. So how much? Y is equal to 9. Y is equal to 9. Understand? Now put this y in 2. Put this y in 2. Put y in 2. So what will happen? X you will get. X is equal to 5 into 9 minus 3 by 6. That is 45 minus 3 by 6. That is 42 by 6. That is 7. That is 7. So x is 7 and y is 9. Right? Therefore x is 7. X is 7 and y is 9. Therefore, what is x? Here our assumption is numerator be x. So x is 7 means numerator is 7. What is y? Denominator be y. That means y is 9. Therefore, the required fraction is 7 by 9. Therefore, required fraction is 7 by 9. Understand? Oh, we will see one more problem. Okay, age problem. This is very, very important for Cbse exam. Okay, repeated questions. 5 years hence. So here also mathematical term. 5 year hence means you have to understand. Here 5 years hence means after 5 years. After 5 years. The age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So here Jacob age and son's age will be given. Clear? 5 years ago means back. Clear? 5 years before 5 years. So Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. Clear? Then what are their percentages? So here age, that is Jacob's age and his son age not given. So you have to assume it as unknown. Clear? So let the Jacob age, let the Jacob age Jacob's age be X years. Okay, you have to assume let the Jacob's age be X years and son's age be Y years. Be Y years. There, be Y years. Now come to the statement. First you have to find out 5 years hence. That means after 5 years, what will be the Jacob age? What will be the son's age? Clear? So first you have to find out. Then you have to convert into mathematical statement. Clear? First this statement you have to clear it. After 5 years. 5 year hence means after 5 years. After 5 years, Jacob's age already X. After 5 year means plus 5, right? Then son's age Y plus 5. Y plus 5. Therefore you come. So after 5 years, the age of Jacob means X plus 5. You write. Will be means equal to. Will be 3 times that of son age. That means 3 into son age. 3 into son age. Clear? So you have to see the statement. Accordingly, you have to write the mathematical statement. You see, here after 5 years means first after 5 years you find out both age. Then you come to the statement. The age of Jacob means Jacob age you write. Will be means equal to symbol. Clear? 3 times that of his son means son age you take, multiply with 3. Okay. Now this X plus 5 equal to just multiply this 3 means 3y plus 15. 3y plus 15. So what you have to do? Y term bring this side, this number bring that side. That means just what? Changing the side. So x minus y is equal to 10. This is equation number 1. Equation number 1. Here. And second case you see. And 5 years ago means 5 years before. Clear? Before 5 years. Before 5 years. That means ago. 5 years ago also you can write. Okay. 5 years ago. What you will get? Jacob age will be x minus 5. Actual age is what? Yeah, x. From that you subtract. 5 years before 5 years means subtract minus 5. And the son's age y minus 5. Now you come to the condition. Therefore, 5 years ago, Jacob age means Jacob age you write x minus 5 is equal to, clear, was 7 times that of his son means 7 into son age. 7 into son age. 7 times means into. Clear? Now simplify this. X minus 5 equal to 7y minus 35. So from this you find out what x find out, because you are going to apply substitution method. So from this just to minus 5 you bring this side. Clear? So that x will get. X is equal to 7y minus 35 plus 5. So x is equal to 7y minus 30. This is equation number 2. Clear? Equation number 2. Now put this x in 1. Put this x in 1. Put x in 1. What you will get? 7y minus 30 minus 3y equal to 10. Equal to 10. Right? 7y minus 30 minus 3y equal to 10. Now 7y minus 3y is how much? 4y. 4y equal to 10. This minus 30 bring this side means plus 30. So what you are getting? 4y equal to 40. Correctly we are getting 4y equal to 40. Therefore y equal to 40 by 4. How much? 10. Y equal to 10. Now put this y in equation number 1. Even 2 also. 2 you put straight away will get. Equation number 2 you write. Better. So x is equal to 7 into 10 minus 30. So 70 minus 30 how much? 40. So x you are getting 40. X you are getting 40. Therefore what is our assumption? Jacob age will be x year. Therefore Jacob age is 40 years and son's age is 10 years. Okay, you have to write the final answer. That is very important. Clear? Therefore Jacob age is 40 years and the son's age equal to 10 years. So this final answer you have to write. Okay. So I will give some more problems for homework. You do practice.